Hi, this is Joe from PowerOfAttorneyForm.com, and today we're going to talk about the 4 West Virginia Power of Attorney forms. Now, if you don't know what Power of Attorney is, it's just a legal document that allows you to choose somebody that you trust to handle your financial decision making or medical decision making. So let's get started. On the left-hand side, we have the West Virginia Durable Power of Attorney form, and this allows you to select somebody to handle all your financial matters legal in the state of West Virginia, which just means all your you give them access to your banking, decision making, writing checks if you want. But really what makes this form the most popular is that it's the only form that stays valid if something should happen to you where you can no longer think for yourself. Now, what I mean by that is we're seeing our baby boomers get older and older in this day and age, and they're getting things like dementia, Alzheimer's, and a number of things that are just awful mental conditions where they just can't do things like they could before, like meet financial obligations, paying bills, things like that. So what this form does, it allows you to select somebody to handle all financial decision making on your behalf, uh, obviously before something like that happens, but the form does stay valid if something like that should happen. So next on the right hand side we have the medical power of attorney form. Now this form sounds exactly how it is. It allows you to select somebody to handle all your healthcare decision making on your behalf, and if something should happen to you, you have someone, after signing this form, you have someone there that can handle your medical treatment decisions, facility decisions, anything healthcare related. And oftentimes what we find on our website is that people will download not only the medical form, but they'll download the durable form too. So if something should happen, not only are they covered medically, but durably as well, or financially. Now on the right hand side we have the general power of attorney form. Now this is just like the durable. It's exactly like it, except for that if something should happen to you where you can't think for yourself, instead of the durable that's valid, this becomes void. So if something should happen to you and you have a general power of attorney form, that person can no longer handle financial decision making on your behalf. So that's the only difference between the durable and the general. Now, all the way right, we have the limited power of attorney form. Now, this is a great form that allows you to select somebody to handle just specific financial powers. And what I mean by that is, for example, I use this form every year to give my accountant the power to just handle my taxes every year. I don't want him, not that I don't trust him, I just don't want to have him have access to my bank accounts or to make withdrawals, deposits, or anything like that. I just want him to file my taxes, so I give him the limited power of attorney form. Now, if you want someone to do anything, pick up mail, anything across the map, all you have to do is just give him or her a specific financial power of attorney form or limited power of attorney form, and they'll be restricted to just doing that specific thing. Now, all these forms need to be notarized. If you don't know what a notary is, all you got to do is just go down to your branch bank, hopefully where you have an account, and they'll do it for free most oftentimes. But if not, they usually charge a small fee. I know Bank of America charges between $8 to $10 to have this form notarized. But that's it. These are the West Virginia power of attorney forms.